everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today I'm going to show you how to put a clasp on a daisy chain necklace. I'll put links for daisy chain necklaces, the tutorials, in the description. Okay, so first you're going to need a jump ring and of course some tools. We're going to take our lobster clasp, put it on the jump ring. Then we're going to take the end of the necklace, put it on, and then we're just going to close our jump ring. Okay, sorry about that. You want to get it nice and closed. So I'm just going to make sure, without pinching the beads, I'm going to give it a little pinch this way. Make sure it's lined up nice. And I'm going to give it a little pinch this way. There. And there we go. So that's nice and close. Now you're also going to need a charm. So what I'm going to do is, this is my necklace extender. I always put necklace extenders on my daisy chain necklaces. Like I said, there'll be tutorials in the description, as well as links to daisy chain necklaces you can buy. This is for an order, so I'm just getting it ready. So I open the necklace extender at one end, and I'm just going to put on that charm. And I put on the charm because I just find it gives a nice finishing touch. Okay, then you're going to close that. Now you always close these by you open and close them by going sideways. You never just open them out. Okay, you want to make sure that's nice and flush. Okay, and then on the other end, we're going to go in there and we're going to open the other side. There we go. And like I said, you always open them sideways. I'm going to take the other end of my necklace and put it on. Okay. And then we're going to close this up. There we go. Whoops. Sorry about that. So let's just double check because it kind of got away from me. Oh, not quite closed. I like them pretty perfect, so we'll give a pinch that way. Maybe a little pinch this way. There we go. Okay. And there you go, guys. That's how I put on my clasp and necklace extender. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.